You took my hand in your hand.
All right, starting now. Okay.
And explain to me we're all
So, talking about having much larger lunges, or the experience for the audience should be that the lunges are larger. As you do it, the first thing is the push off. So just to show the push off. So if you see with his left leg, her right, they propel themselves off. Go for it.
you said don't.
And so you see the foot slides because they're going that big. You don't have to hold this, okay. So before we started videoing, it was amusing. We asked, Jessica, so do you sometimes do the ball of the foot or do you do the flat? And she's like, well, it depends. If I know you guys are going to ask me to hold it for a really long time, I do the flat. But otherwise the ball because it looks really nice. So going high onto the foot really shows, but it's a lot harder to hold. So, you know, than the ball of the foot, than the flat, depending on the size. Anyway, one more time. So that's propelling off. After they lunge, and you can land flat this time because I'm going to talk for a while.
I ever
You'll notice that in the hip socket for her, it's turned out. Both of them, the feet are pointed.
I'm way
The back is long, and actually, so this particular embrace, it's this. If I really wanted to accent the largeness of the lunge, come a little higher, you're going to be holding it for a while. If I really wanted to accent the largeness of the lunge, I'd also let the arms carry the line. So there's the point of the leg and the extension of the arm. If you do a forward lunge or backward lunge for you instead of a side. And let's go the other direction just for variety.
you a storm.
So for there also, I want you to see the wholeness of the back, that the back is engaged and active so that the leg isn't actually coming from the hip socket, it's coming from the back. And likewise for Malachi, it's harder to see though. So you're going to do this again from the other angle, other direction, going back towards me, Malachi. Same lunge. And you see the wholeness of the back in that lunge. So I want you to think that you don't just lunge with your legs, that you lunge with your backs as well. Arm carries the line. Okay, quick summary. Turn out, point the foot, really lengthen through the back from the hip socket, and in backwards order propel, reach with the arm. It will be a very large lunge.